Chameleons are small, slow-moving lizards with prehensile tails, long extensible tongues, and a highly developed ability to change color. The average length of the common chameleon is 8 to 16 inches. It is a long-standing urban myth that chameleons change color in order to camouflage themselves, when in reality, it is as a response to light and temperature stimuli and an expression of emotions. Often when caught for analysis, the chameleon turns a dark color. Their colors are also important for interspecies communication, especially during mating season. The common chameleon is insectivorous, capturing insects by stealth tactics and rapid extension of their long tongues, which grasp and adhere to their prey. Adults are known to eat young chameleons and have been observed to eat fruit. Larger females produce more eggs and are more attracted to males who will fight over a female.
Flamingos are wading birds, commonly characterized by stilted posture and a bright pink color. A group of flamingos is called a flamboyance.
Seahorses are small fish with segmented bony armor, an upright posture, a curled prehensile tail, a tubular snout, and a head and neck suggestive of a horse. The male has a brood pouch in which the eggs develop. Seahorses range in size from 0.6 to 14 inches. They are named for their equine appearance, with bent necks, long snouted heads, and distinctive trunk and tails. Seahorses have thin skin stretched over a series of bony plates which are arranged in rings throughout their bodies, with each species having a distinct number of rings. The armor of bony plates protects them against predators, and because of this outer skeleton, they no longer have ribs.
Malagueña is a breed of goat native to the province of Malaga, Spain. The breed originated from two ancient breeds, the Pyrenean goat and the Maltese goat. The former came from the north of the Iberian Peninsula, and the latter came from Africa. Malagueñan goats have a unique ability to adapt to rural environments in different climates, grazing on low productive landscape, as well as on crop wastes and byproducts, and in the meantime, to maintain their milk production capacity in terms of quantity and quality.
Geckos are small, carnivorous lizards that are found on every continent except Antarctica. They range from 0.6 to 23.6 inches. Geckos are unique among lizards for their vocalizations, and their name stems from the Indonesian Malay gekkok, which is imitative of the sounds they make. Many species are well known for their sticky toe pads, which enable them to grab and climb onto smooth and vertical surfaces. Most geckos lack eyelids, instead possessing transparent membranes on the outer surface of their eyeballs. Unlike most lizards, geckos are nocturnal and have excellent night vision, with a color vision in low light 350 times more sensitive than the human eye.
The Iberian ibex is a type of wild goat found in the Rocky Mountains of Spain and Portugal. Out of the 4 subspecies known, 2 are now extinct. The Portuguese subspecies became extinct in 1892, and the Pyrenean subspecies became extinct in 2000. A project to clone the Pyrenean subspecies resulted in one being born in July 2003. The Iberian ibex is characterized by its large, flexible hooves and short legs, This allows it to run and leap on rocky and steep slopes to escape potential predators. The horns of the Iberian ibex curve out, up and then back in.
Kestrels are small falcons that hover by rapidly beating their wings while searching for prey on the ground. Kestrels are principally distinguished by their typical hunting behavior, which is to hover at a height of around 35 to 65 feet and swoop down on ground prey. Kestrels are notable for usually having mostly brown in their plumage.
Dolphins are small-toothed whales that have a beak-like snout and a curved back fin. Dolphins have become well known for their sociable nature and high intelligence, although not for their rampant sadism. In 1995, television was used to test dolphin self-awareness. Dolphins were shown real-time videos of themselves, videos of another dolphin, and recorded footage. It was concluded that their evidence suggested self-awareness rather than social behavior. Dolphins engage in acts of aggression towards each other. The older a male dolphin is, the more likely his body is to be covered with bite scars. Male dolphins get into disputes over companions and females. Acts of aggression become so intense that targeted dolphins go into exile after losing a fight. Male bottlenose dolphins have been known to engage in infanticide. Dolphins have also been known to kill porpoises for reasons which are not fully understood, as porpoises generally do not share the same diet as dolphins and are therefore not competitors for food supplies.
Dragonflies are fast-flying predatory insects, with two pairs of large transparent wings which spread out sideways at rest. Dragonflies are represented in human culture on artifacts such as pottery, rock paintings, statues, and Art Nouveau jewelry. They are used in traditional medicine in Japan and China, and caught for food in Indonesia. They are symbols of courage, strength, and happiness in Japan, but seen as sinister in European folklore. Many dragonflies, particularly males, are territorial. Some defend the territory against others of their own species, some against other species of dragonfly, and a few against insects in unrelated groups. A particular perch may give a dragonfly a good view over an insect-rich feeding ground. Defending and breeding territory is common among male dragonflies, especially in species that congregate around ponds.
Small, nocturnal mammals with spiny coats and short legs, which are able to roll into a ball for defense. Like opossums, mice, and moles, hedgehogs have natural immunity against snake venom. Hedgehogs occasionally perform a ritual called anointing. When the animal encounters a new scent, it will lick and bite the source, then form a scented froth in its mouth and paste it on its spines with its tongue. The purpose of this habit is unknown, but some experts believe anointing camouflages the hedgehog with the new scent of the area and provides a possible poison or source of infection to predators poked by their spines. Hedgehogs suffer many diseases common to humans. These include cancer, fatty liver disease, and cardiovascular disease. Cancer is very common in hedgehogs. Surgery to remove tumors is rare because it would result in removing too much bone structure.